Today I'll be reviewing the Go Better Studio Kingdom Huffer Upgrade Kit. If you remember my Transformers Kingdom Huffer review, which is a video you all should totally watch, one of my main complaints with that Huffer figure, and really most of modern Transformers, is that Hasbro is terrible with gaps on their figures. And of course, when Hasbro drops the ball, the fans pick it up. So I have a upgrade sprue here. It just comes in a little cardboard box and a little Ziploc bag with the parts in it. Attaching them are super easy. First we have a little back to leg upgrade that plugs into the little weapon port on the side of his leg and then swings around, filling in this gap. And then we have this little thing that will come in to importance in vehicle mode. We just slide up in some grooves, and these two little parts that slot into his thighs, and this little purple thing that plugs into his butt. The legs don't make his knees bend as good anymore, but they look way better. And in case you're wondering, yes, you can still transform with them on. They have a little hinge on them. And that little gray part from earlier, it covers up the fist in vehicle mode. And also, the leg fillers have this little part that folds up, and it fills in the back of the truck. The color matching isn't perfect, but neither is even officially Hasbro a lot of the time. I highly recommend this if you own the original Kingdom Huffer figure.